My girls love layering their necklaces, so I got them this necklace stack. Very, very nice. It surprised me for the price. I wasn't expecting it, but there is quality, and these are genuinely impressive. They came in great condition, and they look just like the photo. They're trendy, they're shiny, and they're very lightweight. They are stackable and stylish, and that's what the girls like about these. You get a variety of chain styles. The Cuban, the Paperclip, the Herringbone, and more. So it looks like you put effort into it, even if you really didn't. My kids have worn these all day at school, and their skin has not yet turned green, which is really good. This is a hypoallergenic win. Mix and match ready. They're cute. They're super nice to wear with like casual tees or dressed up with dinner. They layer them with other current necklaces as well. So they layer them with other pieces that they have. Would I buy them again for them? Totally. These are one of those finds that are affordable and they look way more expensive than they really are. Easy to wear, easy to love. Highly recommend.